So hello students and viewers, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and safe. This is your Arindam sir and you are watching Revision Learning. So students, today we will start a new topic, a new chapter, a new session with a new topic from your civics, your chapter number 3, Constitutional Design. So in this chapter, what we are going to read basically? In this chapter, we are going to read about the apartheid system. What is apartheid system and the democratic constitution in South Africa? So both the things are interrelated. The democratic constitution in South Africa and the apartheid system is interrelated. Then we will move to the struggle of the blacks people in South Africa against this apartheid system. What is this? We will get to know in this chapter. Then we will move towards a new constitution that was formed in South Africa and the speciality of that constitution. Okay. After finishing the South African constitution, we will get one idea. We will get one conclusion from the South African constitution. And based on this conclusion, we can say that why do we need a constitution, which is your second topic. So why do we need a constitution is the second topic in your chapter that we are going to read. We will read, okay, the importance of constitution, what is constitution and what does a constitution do. These things we will read in details. Okay. After that, we will move to the making of the Indian Constitution. How the Indian Constitution was made. What do you mean by the Constituent Assembly? What is this Constituent Assembly? The total procedures that the leaders followed while making the Indian Constitution and the oath of the Constitution, everything we will discuss. We will also at the same time will get to know about some of the great leaders like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Abul Kalam Azad, okay. Then we will read about Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jaipal Singh, Durgabhai Deshmukh, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhimrao Ambedkar, that is the B.R. Ambedkar, who is known as the father of Indian Constitution, Shama Prasad Mukherjee, Somnath Lahiri, etc. About them also we are going to know in this chapter, and later on in this chapter we will read the guiding values of the Indian Constitution. What is the value of Indian Constitution? We will get to know everything in this chapter. We will read the philosophy of constitution also, how the constitution is made, what is the meaning of some terms in the constitution like republic, justice, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, equality, liberty, fraternity, all the meanings of the words we will know in this chapter. So students, I hope this chapter will be a very exciting chapter for you all and you will get to know so many new terms, so many new things about our constitution, about our political scenario, and also you will get to know something different or something you can say outside the country when you will read about the Nelson Mandela, the story of Nelson Mandela and the South African Constitution. So I hope this chapter will be interesting for you all. You will get to know so many things about the Indian Constitution in this chapter. So with this students, today I am wrapping up and in our next session we will continue. We'll start this chapter and we will start with the topic the apartheid system and the democratic constitution in South Africa. So students, you keep watching Revision Learning, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon, support us, help us to grow, and like this video, share it to your friends if you like my explanation. So students, don't miss the next video because from the next video we are going to start this particular chapter, your chapter number 3 from class 9 Civics Constitutional Design. Thank you students.